Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am finally back home from my travels, which means we're back at it, back doing unboxings, not vlogs. But I'm actually so surprised that you guys loved my vlogs. It honestly made my day. Whenever I read your comments, they were all so nice and so positive, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really enjoyed filming those vlogs and I'm happy that you liked them, and I'll be trying to film more vlogs whenever something fun comes up. But for now my life is back to boring because you know, when you're home you don't really have much interesting stuff going on. So I will try to vlog whenever I think it's going to be interesting for you to watch. But for now we're back to sit down videos as well as shopping vlogs. More shopping vlogs are coming, and in this video I actually want to share with you two items that I bought in Chanel, and then two more items that I got from LV. I bought everything in Monaco and I just cannot wait to finally unbox this, because we came back home about 10 days ago and I still cannot believe that I managed to keep all these boxes closed, unopened, because I really love to film true unboxings with you guys, and all of you know that. Sometimes I gotta be patient, but I'm honestly so happy that today is finally the day I'm filming this video, because it means I get to finally wear all of my new items. By the way, if you're new to my channel, my name is Aika. I post a lot of fashion related videos, shopping vlogs, reviews and unboxings, as well as regular vlogs sometimes now. So if you're interested in any of these topics, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and also turn on the bell to be notified every time I post something new. And you can also follow me on Instagram, it's at bonjouraika. Shall we? Let's begin with Chanel. And if you've been on my channel for a while, you definitely know what I really wanted from Chanel. I really needed, and I finally got it. But not one, but two. Basically, I could not decide. I couldn't choose just one pair of shoes. I have decided to get both of them because I love them both so much. Let's start with this one. Probably I have no idea what is what, but I'll just start with the first one I have. Camellia fell off. You know, every time I film an unboxing video, something must fall down. We've got the ribbon out. Here is the beautiful black box. We've got two dust bags. Wow, the packaging of the shoes is really nice in Monaco. It is very similar to packaging of their bags, because usually they never put stickers here, at least not in Geneva. Okay. And the first pair of shoes that I got, oh, they're perfect. Ta-da! Are these beautiful ballerina flats? Let me take them out of the box and I'll remove everything from the inside. By the way, I'm not sure if I'll be able to tell you which collection it's from, but I can tell that it's from a previous collection. I think it was fall winter 2020-2021, and yes, but I really have no idea. I was hoping they had a sticker somewhere on the box, but they don't, so I'm really sorry for that. So here's the first pair of shoes that I've decided to go with. It's like a yellow gold foil or something like that, because it really looks so shiny. I got them in yellow gold with black and I really love the combo. What I love the most about it is that it is so simple, yet it is so classy in my opinion. Pretty much all of my bags are in yellow gold hardware, so I thought this could be perfect to go with pretty much any of my bags, and it's that neutral pair of shoes now in my collection. I wasn't really going for yellow gold at the beginning. I wanted to get something in gray or something neutral or something light, but they didn't really have much stock left in my size. At least I got them both in 37.5, but I saw this one and I still really loved them, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to dress them up and dress them down, but I just really love the shoes. So this is the first pair. Now let me show you the other pair that I got, and they're also so beautiful, and I think they also came from the same collection. I'm not sure why they didn't have new stuff. Maybe it came a little bit later on. Oh wow, they are so beautiful. Here's the second pair, and so here is the other pair that I got. They're in this beautiful tweed in gray color with black leather here, but it looks patent. It's not really patent though, but it looks like it sort of, but I think the leather was just treated this way, so it looks a little bit shinier. I decided to go for this ones because I figured that I have a lot of gray bags in my collection. Well, not a lot, but I have 3 gray bags and I have a lot of black bags, so I thought these shoes would look so amazing with them. I never really had anything in tweed from Chanel, and I always wanted to add maybe a classic flap in tweed or a pair of shoes, a very classic pair of shoes in tweed, because I know tweed material is just so iconic for Chanel, and I'm just so happy that I now have at least a pair of shoes. I know it's not a classic flap, but it's a start. This pair of shoes though, it's not very summery, and I know I can still maybe wear them during nighttime, but for daytime I think they look a little bit too warm because of the color and the tweed. I think these shoes are more for fall time, September, beginning of October, before it gets cold, but I still think that I could wear them at nighttime in summer. Why not? These are the 2 pairs of shoes that I got from Chanel, and I honestly could not be happier. And you can now see how different they look. Completely different everything. This is gray, this is yellow gold, this is leather, this is tweed, so I really could not decide which pair I wanted more. So I thought, while I'm in Monaco and everything is in euro, so it's automatically cheaper, plus I got a tax refund. I couldn't claim it just yet because customs office was closed the day we were arriving back, but I should pass by again sometime soon and get it back. So I got a pretty good refund on both of the shoes. I think it was around, I can't remember, but I spent in total 1,300 euros, something like that, on the shoes, and the tax refund was around 160, 170 euros. So I think that's pretty cool, and this way, you know, it's just a lot cheaper to buy them there than here in Switzerland. And now let's move on to LV, and I actually wanted these 2 items so bad for a very long time. Well, let's start with this one over here. I know the box is very strange, but this is what it came in store. So let's open it. I wasn't sure about the style I wanted to go for, but I definitely wanted some sunglasses from Louis Vuitton. So it's been 3 years since I last bought sunglasses for myself. I'm not sure why. I feel like I don't really wear sunglasses all that much unless I'm on holidays at the beach, but in town I do wear them when the sun is too bright, but most of the times I just forget about my sunglasses, and it's been a while since I last purchased a pair, and just in general I don't have a lot of sunglasses. So I wanted to add a pair of LV sunglasses because I always loved them, but I couldn't find a pair that would look good on me, and I think I found just the one. There was another pair that I really loved, but you know, if I don't wear sunglasses that much, I thought it wasn't smart to buy both of them. Even though both of them were so different, I still decided to just get one. And the sunglasses that I got are these ones, and how gorgeous are they? Look at this detail on the side. I'll film some mod shots so you'll be able to see them better, to see all the details on the sunglasses, but they are so cool and I definitely don't have anything like this in my collection. I just thought they were the coolest sunglasses. And actually for this ones I have all the info here, so let me read it. They're called LV Link Square White sunglasses. The price was 520 euros. I'm not sure which one is the code. I think it's Z1542W. Okay, so if you want to buy them. And so what do you guys think? Oh my god, I love them so much. They look so cool. My husband hated them. To be honest, it's really not his style. He thought they were a little bit too much, but I just love them so much. They look so bold and so edgy, and this is something I never really buy. I buy cute stuff like ballerinas, you know, but I really wanted something bold and edgy and, you know, party vibes. I am obsessed with these sunglasses and I'm honestly super happy that these sunglasses are my first pair of sunglasses. They're so sick. Oh, I love them. And they were the only one in store, and when you close them they look like this. Oh, so freaking cool. This massive LV detail in gold. It's so fab. And they came in this dust bag and this massive box, like case, sunglasses case. This is so huge. And here's the item number 2. It's a ready-to-wear piece, which I also wanted for the longest time, since last year actually. And here it is. So the other item that I got is this beautiful t-shirt. Oh, I love it. It is so cool. I always wanted this t-shirt, but I thought I wanted it in white, and I still love the white one, and I tried it on. The only problem with the white one was, number one, I have a lot of white t-shirts, so yeah, I was like, do I really need another white t-shirt? And problem number 2 was that the small size of this t-shirt, and I got it in small because I felt like it was a little bit oversized. Small size was on the mannequin, and I'm pretty sure it stayed there for a very long time because the t-shirt was in such horrible condition. It just looked so bad, and they didn't have any more t-shirts in size small in that color, and it was such a disappointment. I tried it on and just looked disgusting, you know, it just didn't look like a luxury t-shirt. They had this one new and I tried it on. I really loved the way it looked on me, and I feel like these letters against black color stand out a little bit more, and I really love how this chain looks against black as well. It just pops a little bit more, and I wanted this t-shirt because I bought a skirt and I tried them on together and I really love the way they look together, so I think I'm gonna pair the two together, but I really need to iron the t-shirt first. I'll do that and then I'll film some mod shots so you'll be able to see how it looks on me. And I'm just so happy I managed to buy everything I wanted there. The 2 ballerinas, oh my god, I've been wanting ballerinas for the longest time. Sunglasses and the t-shirt. Oh, so I was pretty happy with my shopping experience there. The only sad thing is that I couldn't film inside any store because I was gonna film a shopping vlog from Monaco. I really want to film shopping vlogs from each city I go to, and this time I really tried my best, but you know, I was just filming the windows outside Chanel. The windows, you know, it's a free space, so I could film whatever I want to. And the guy, the security guard, he came outside and he was like, ma'am, no filming here. I'm like, what? Why? It was the first time a person told me off outside on the street. So I've realized that there is no possible way that I could film, and they had securities everywhere and nobody would allow me to film, and I really wanted to shop, so I didn't want to risk it, and I'm really sorry for that. But they had a beautiful selection, pretty regular to every other store that you saw me in. Dubai had pretty much the same stock. Well, obviously a little bit better, but they didn't have my sizes. That was the problem. They had a lot of stock and it looked like, oh my god, the store has everything, it's a paradise, but at the same time they never had my sizes. Clothing wise, they never had my sizes. Everything was either too small or way too big. For the shoes, they never had my sizes, so they always had my mom's size, which is a 36, the tiniest feet on earth, or they had the largest sizes, which were in Chanel, like 42, but yeah, never my size. That was a big disappointment, but for Monaco, I was pretty happy that I could find everything I wanted in my sizes, so yay! I feel like I scored big time because once again, tax-free. And let me check the price for the t-shirt. I'm not sure if I mentioned it. So it was 500 euros, exactly 500. If you're traveling to Europe, take advantage of that. Shop there, like save money in your country, shop in Europe, and then get a tax refund. It is just so much better. And prices in Europe are always the cheapest. So yeah, this is my unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.